Are you shipping your products to the European Union? Do you know CE and all the regulations? I'm John Allen, President and CEO of Product Safety Consulting. We help you navigate the quagmire that CE created. We find the standards, we know the directives, we do the evaluations and the testing, and we build your technical file. I call us a jack of all, master of many product categories: laboratory equipment, information technology, lighting, medical, household appliances, commercial cooking, machinery, robots, and more. And we're really good at new and innovative. And if you fail, we help you fix it to get you into compliance. Most of those product categories are self-certification, but we don't recommend you do it alone. We have the experience and expertise to get you into compliance. Give us a call to discuss your needs.